Too quiet out there. Let's hear it. Number 17. You got to fire up. The big number 12 winning the event this year.
That was so fun. It sucked. It came down to me and my husband at the end, but it was so fun. And then my car, I don't know, it wouldn't go forward or backwards, so I don't know what happened. I lost the transmission or something, I don't know. But it was fun.
That was cool. It was hard to go up against my wife, though.
Yeah?
Give her a kiss. You did good. You drove hard. You drove real hard.
But these drivers did a great job tonight. The crowd loved them. We appreciate all the guys coming out, doing everything they did. So from the Elko firefighters and the police officers, thanks a million. Did great.
This was his first year. Did you like it?
Oh yeah, it was fun.
This is my stepdad. Yeah.
What did he do? Bill Skinner.
Number 16?
16.
Usually he builds my cars. He's built my cars for like 17 years. And this year we built him, surprised him. He didn't even know he was going to run. He showed up tonight and we said, here's your car. And he was all freaked out and he did awesome.
I did really good. It was fun. I had a blast. I had so much fun. I have never had this much fun. I've always built the cars. I've never driven in one. And it was a blast for me.
It sucked. It was horrible. I hated having to hit him because he worked hard on this car and that car. He built them both. But for him to have to go against his own car, it was horrible. I didn't like it. So, but when it comes down to it, you got to go for what you got to do. So.
You know how many dust collectors you guys have in your house now?
Couple.
Good.
Alright, you too? Ton of staples.
Yeah, thank you.
Very nice for you guys. And Bill.
Hey, my name's on the car.
Second place. Thank you. Thanks, Bill.
Thank you.
Thanks for you guys coming out and doing this. As always. Okay, second place, Grand Slam, $500 to Tana.
Thanks.
And
one check.
the big money winner, Rusty.
Good job. Okay, there's no need for that.
Down there where we're looking.
Oh,